Dear friends, we've gathered here together this morning in the presence of God and before family and friends to join this man and this woman in holy matrimony. So, please do be welcomed. Please feel comfortable here today. Please enjoy the day, because I know that they're going to enjoy it and they're going to enjoy celebrating this day with you.
Igama lami uKalishto akaBhalata. Ngingumkhwenyana namhlanje. Siyatshata namhlanje, bekumnandi ene uyumakoti nona.
Igama lami Nobukhosi. Baba Nube, manje sokwaBhalata. I'm the bride, and this is my handsome, so dark and handsome husband.
Sandiso. Actually, I'm Khosi's friend. So I'm going to tell you just a short story, how I met Xolani. So, as a friend, you always want the best for your friend, right? Yeah. So when Khosi told me that, Sandy, I've got a guy, I started asking, probing Khosi with a lot of questions. Describe him, umtonjani, unomkhaba, and all that. Yeah. Then when I first time when I met Xolani, I was like, yeah, you chose well here. Yeah, stay there.
Basabuza ukuthi indoda uyibone kanjani lento. Yabona? But that's how we met, mina naye sahlangana epark. But bekungekho lula because ungenzeni vele ngathini ungiblockade like bongibhayizisa or bongishaya isandla. Ngangafeel like the guy had to get for almost a year. But angive upanga. Yabona? It took us a year ukuthi sikhulume. And then some abangani, blue tick, angangphenduli. But then that's how we met, mina naye. But ekugcineni, sila sikhona because of ubegezela, from Wemmerpan to Emaxwen.
Yeah.
2018,
yeah. I didn't know that he was mine, and he kept on persisting. And at some point, I think I would ignore him. But when I ignore him, if he doesn't reach out, I will miss him. Then I'll reach out. But then, because also, when he came into my life, I had prayed to God that whoever is going to date me now is going to be my husband. So he happened to be the guy who was chasing a lot. So I started softening up, and finally I felt that this could be my husband, and I decided to give him a chance.
I don't think a lot of people have context on how long it's been trying to get here. Their hearts wanted to do this. There were a lot of different reasons why it couldn't happen and why it wasn't happening. But I think first and foremost, just to honor you guys for one, trusting God to get here. I think it wasn't an easy one. I think just being able to witness what God was doing through you guys as you were trying to get to this day. I think 2 years back, 3 years back, 4 years back, trying to get here. So,
I just want to talk about my friend, my kind and beautiful friend. And I want to say to you, my friend, congratulations. And I'm so happy for you. God has taken you this far. And I'm so happy to see you thriving as a wife. And I know you fear God. I know you guys both fear God. And I know you're going to be successful in your marriage. That's all I wanted to say. I'm so happy for you guys. I can't say that enough. I am really happy.
I was feeling very nervous. I remember I was feeling like my time is gonna go now, but there was nothing. I think it was just the nerves. I was feeling very nervous and also happy that the day that we've been waiting for is finally here. I'm finally gonna be his wife. And it's something that I've always wanted. And finally, here we are.
Mina into engizoyisho yabona today ne. Yo. Yabona lento boyifila. Like uzongathi kuna something is what you shall see or something. Daw ma-cramp. I lento nambe ngifila today like I was like, yo, I was even shaking ne. Masongena like 18. I was like, yo, kenzakalani system yami like bengifila ngathi man ngathi ngaphume emotweni and just angazi ngime kuphi, understand that? Either way like bengifila ngakhona about yonke lento lena today because sometimes inento le ngayikhuluma ngayo before ngathi ama expectations sometimes maybe beng expect something ezoba incane but lento le namhlanje ngibonile inkulu, understand? So ngithema ngikubona again ngikubona lento le yavela yathi what, remember you said you pray about this, understand? Ila khona ama nerves wami yonke into yami yavele ya relax at the same time, understand? So either way like in feeling ngakhona about this beautiful day today.
I felt the peace because I knew he was gonna be there waiting. Sometimes all the brides wait and the grooms never show up, but I felt the peace because I knew there's my husband is waiting and I'm gonna go marry him.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. Then with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. You look so beautiful in white. So beautiful in white
I think I'm grateful for the people around me. It's a lot of people. The support for me is overwhelming. I mean, all these people could be somewhere doing different things, but they chose to come here to celebrate with us. That's a big highlight for me.
Yeah, so I think in terms of issue ukuthi ubona this beautiful queen of mine, yeah, understand? The way like beka dress ngakhona, I mean lento leyo it was like yabona into mangabe bophupha ngayo or uzwa abantu baxoxa ngayo. Ngithema ngibona this thing mina ngamehlo wami was like, yo, this is beautiful, you understand? I knew vele from lapho ukuthi I think uNkulunkulu sekaphendulile ini imithandazo yami, understand? So again i-support yabantu bonke abakhona la, you understand, the pastors, I mean the friends, family, you know, abomalume bonke, you understand. So yeah, into enyenze, I think ama highlight wama today lawo, I think everything is beautiful.